On this momentous occasion of your 90th founding anniversary, I extend my most heartfelt, profound congratulations to Adventist Elementary School Solano Campus. This significant milestone is not merely a count of years, but a vibrant celebration of 9 decades of unwavering commitment to excellence, community, and faith. Your enduring mission, so beautifully encapsulated by the theme Rooted in Christ, has served as the bedrock of your institution, our very own institution, since its inception. It is deep spiritual foundation that has enabled you to navigate challenges, embrace growth, and consistently uphold values that shape not just students' minds but also their characters. Indeed, these 90 years stand as a powerful and inspiring testament to God's faithfulness. A faithfulness that has nurtured our school through generations, guiding its educators, pupils, and families. The profound impact you have had on education and spiritual development is immeasurable, cultivating a legacy of learning, service, and Christ-centered living within the community and beyond. May you continue to flourish, inspire, and illuminate paths of many more decades to come. God bless you more. Adventist Elementary School, Solano Campus. Thank you.